Dict comprehensions. Dictionaries and set comprehensions work exactly like the list ones, only there is a little difference in the syntax. It does exactly the same thing with a slightly different syntax that highlights a bit more of the key value part. Dictionaries do not allow duplication in the keys, as shown in the following example. Let's create another file called dictionary comprehension duplicates. Okay, so dictionary comprehension dot duplicates dot py. Then I'm gonna say word is equal to hello, and then I'm gonna say swaps equal to c dot swap case for c in word, like this. Okay, c and c, print swaps. This is a for, okay, for. So I wanna execute it. Chapter 5, dictionaries. Dictionary comprehension duplicate. Okay. Let's see that it print HELLO, but it's not duplicating the L value. No? Hello, that it has double A L. So dictionary comprehension. Let's try another example right here. I wanna say with the same word. In this case, I wanna say position C, where key for key C in enumerate word. Okay, let's bring positions. Let's execute it again, the same file. Of course, I rename it, so it's dictionary. You will see, notice the values associated with the letter L3. The L2 pairs isn't there. It has been overridden by L3. Okay, right here. H0, E1, L2, but it was overridden and then L3 O4. Okay. Set comprehensions. The set comprehensions are very similar to list and dictionary ones. Python allows both the set constructor to be used or explicitly bracket syntax. Let's see one quick example. Let's create a new file called set comprehension py. Okay, new set comprehension dot py. I wanna say word equal to hello. Then I'm gonna say letters 1 equal to set C for C in words. Then letter 2 will be equal to C for C in word, like this. Let's print now letter 1 and letter 2 like this, and just say chapter 5 set comprehension.py. And also you can compare them, you can compare both like this. Triple equal, double equal, okay, and it's the same, true. Notice how set comprehension, as for dictionaries, duplication is not allowed, and therefore the result set has only 4 letters. Also notice that the expression assigned to letters 1 and letters 2 produce equivalent sets. The syntax used to create letters 2 is very similar to the one we can use to create a dictionary comprehension. You can spot the difference only by the fact that the dictionary requires key and values separated by columns, while sets don't.